everybody, and welcome to another episode of 3nv7.A.V. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today the question is, does the standard range battery fit on the BoostedBoard Mini X? Let's find out. Alright guys, so right off the bat, let's go ahead and see if we could do this. So this is pretty much what it looks like right now. Let's see if we can take that off. This is my all standard range battery. So let's see. Alright, so off the bat, this is the standard range on it. Let me go ahead and see where my controller is so we can try it. Go ahead and see. Turn it on. Everything seems to be okay. Light's okay. Click on it. Everything's okay. This is my extended range. This is my standard range. Let's see. That's working 100%. Let's go to the app and see what the app tells me. Switch. Alright, so we're connecting to the board now. Let's see what it says. So the board is giving me 100% charge, which it should be 100% charge. Modes, it's telling me almost the same information about. Alright, sorry about this, but for some odd reason my phone didn't finish recording everything that I was saying, but pretty much it was giving me the right information, every single thing that should have been on there. Estimated range 3.9, obviously, because this is a 8-mile range battery rather than a 14, so they say, quote unquote. But it's giving me all the right information. Alright, on to the next. Alright, so quick and short and to the point, it does work. The app calculates the range. Everything works 100% fine. I'm not 100% sure what Boosted said you couldn't switch them. If they did say later on that you could switch them, then my bad, I'm misinformed. But everything seems to be working fine. I'm not gonna write it right at this second. I'm gonna write it later on and see if it works, but everything good, no signs of error, no signs of anything. Anyways, there you have it. Another video. Hope everybody liked it. I hope everybody has a great day. Have a good one and take care. See you next time on MV. Woo! I keep doing this.